Okay guys, my name is Keith. Welcome to this video. Okay, so in this video I'm going to talk about cryptocurrency. I know there's been a lot of things going on about cryptocurrency in Zambia, and most of them are kinda very negative. Okay, so from this video we're going to learn about cryptocurrency in Zambia, what cryptocurrency is, the risks, where to buy and sell and investing. So it is high time that we had a long overdue debate on the on this review about the cryptocurrency thing in Zambia. So before you read about it, perhaps Bitcoin reached $20,000 in 2017 if you didn't know. If you read all the headlines, perhaps you've got a buddy who won't stop talking. Perhaps you opened your own Coinbase account and don't know what to do about it. So there are a lot of wallets, is Coinbase, blockchain, Bruno, and so on. Those are Bitcoin wallets. Yeah, so in this video I'd like to help you understand what cryptocurrency actually is, and most important, what it's not. Yeah, so the first thing we need to know is that Bitcoin is not a scam. Bitcoin is just a currency. So what makes Bitcoin a scam? Actually, it's the people behind a certain company. For example, there have been a lot of companies coming up, oh, invest this, you get this. Yeah, those are just people trying to get all your money and run away. So just consider Bitcoin as kwacha. So you can't say kwacha man is a scam because it's just a currency. Now, let's say someone creates a company by invest 10 kwacha, gets 100 kwacha after 7 days, and that person runs away. That doesn't mean that the kwacha is fake. So it's actually the company behind that investment thing. It's only actually a scam or fake. So these are things you have to know. I've seen a lot of comments on FB, no, Bitcoin is a scam, but they forget that where they send their Bitcoin, that's where they get scammed from. You can't lose in Bitcoin by having them. Yeah, just need to know how to invest them. So in this video, that's what you learn: how to invest Bitcoin and what it is. So Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency. Okay, so the development and funding of cryptocurrency should be differentiated. We have not many clear views on the tech side. Blockchain technologies are important and may be used for many purposes without cryptography. However, cryptography is no good at all compared to borrowing, inventories, and bonds. We find cryptocurrencies speculation due to its unpredictable nature, relative historic lack, and high risk of failure. You have a rate of cash flow in savings. Speculation means there will be no potential cash flow. You only hope that the prices will increase, and it's actually more like gambling. If you take it that way. So it's not to say it's not to say you never suppose you should invest in crypto. You can order your financial house first and then purchase crypto like Bitcoin. Yeah, for example, if you want to invest in Bitcoin, if you could, the only money you wish you want to buy a house, you can buy a house, then invest Bitcoin later on in other things. So only do with the Bitcoin thing if you have got sorry for that. Okay, only invest in Bitcoin if you've got other money to use on which you are really sure that if you were to lose that money, you wouldn't be hurt that much. So what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital currency that uses blockchain transaction processing technology. We are decentralized as well. It means that a bank or an economic structure does not handle the capital. So no one controls Bitcoin, not even the banks, not anyone. We all control it, we're all part of it. So it cannot be abused by government. We've seen how governments abuse these local currencies. So it's a ledger instead. A blockchain is a decentralized ledger run by peer-to-peer. What do I mean by peer-to-peer? As long as you have a phone or a wallet, you're a peer. Yeah, it's person to person or company to company, just like that. Yeah, it's a peer-to-peer computer network that manages organizations, cryptocurrencies, transactions. So it's actually too difficult to understand how it works. It takes us to how cryptocurrency works. So let's look at an example. I want to make sure that you understand. Let's make an example. Mm, let's imagine two people. by the name of Andrew. Um, Andrew and who? Let's say Andrew and Joseph here. So Andrew is looking to buy Joseph painting, which accepts Bitcoin as payment. So by logging into a wallet, Andrew transfers the amount of Bitcoin to Joseph. So here there are only platforms that hold your private key and communicate with the blockchain for tracking transactions. These are unique numbers and letters which record the amount of money you have. You can actually verify them on blockchain.com. So all have to wait 10 minutes to complete this transaction. In this time, the payment details are analyzed by a network of computers working on verifying pending transactions as the bank does. The transaction is applied to the blockchain after it's been checked. So when you are sending Bitcoin from a wallet uh, to another wallet, it goes through a process called as verifying, or what you can call mining, where the transaction has to be verified. So who verifies the transaction? It's the peers. Yeah, there are people who got supercomputers known as Bitcoin miners. This job of these computers is to verify transactions. And by the way, verifying transactions, you can actually make money by that. Like that's called Bitcoin mining. So when you verify transactions, you can actually make money. Yeah, so even now, if you want, like in the old days, it used to be profitable mining Bitcoin. It was possible to mine using your computer, but right now, it's not really profitable to mine Bitcoin using your computer. It's very hard. Yeah, you can't make enough capi profit from that. Yeah, so there are lots of cryptocurrencies in Zambia. There's Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, a lot. Yeah. So um, I think let me talk about the history of Bitcoin. Mm, yeah, Bitcoin development started in 2009 by the person also known as Satoshi Nakamoto. He's called a mysterious entrepreneur, and as at now, this person's identity has not yet been identified. Yeah. Yeah. Then there's also Litecoin. Litecoin is started in 2011 by Charlie Lee Litecoin. Yeah, his name is Charlie Lee in 2011. Then him is there. Then Ethereum, just forgotten the year. Mhm. So now how to invest in Bitcoin without getting scammed? That's a big topic. Okay, how to invest in Bitcoin without getting scammed?